Hello, welcome to Mabalo. I will show you how to create augmented reality with user-defined target. Okay, let's create a new project. Go to File, Build Settings, change the platform to Android platform. Now go to Edit, Project Settings. Make sure that you check the Vuforia Augmented Reality supported. Okay, now import all these assets to asset folder. This is actually from sample core project. You can download them from asset store. Link in the description. Double click the user defined target scene. We need modify this sample scene. First, delete this user target define. Then import the new one. It will import the dependency package. Click the user-defined target builder. Down here, drag the user-defined target into this image target field. Now we need setting the app license key. Open the Vuforia configuration, copy the license key from the website, then paste into app license key field. Import 3D model from asset store. Drag the 3D model into the user-defined target. Now let's test this out. You can run or build the APK, then run it on your Android device. I'm using Android to send the APK to my smartphone. Try press the button. You see the alert says low quality image and the indicator on top is red. Find a good angle or try another target until the indicator on top become. Double click the screen to show the option menu. I'm still finding a good angle until the indicator green. Okay, now it's green. Press the button and finally the 3D model showing up. Okay, thank you for watching.